everybody, we are G4H2.
And guess.
You like failed with that one, like so bad.
Well, you see, I don't have the practice in this. I'm sorry.
So my cousin Zach is here with us today. He doesn't know a ton about K-pop, but we're making him watch these videos.
You're not making me. I asked if I could. There's a difference.
He did ask. It's true.
I just went, oh, you're doing that now? Maybe I could.
Okay, so Omaigirl came out with another video, and we've been following them since their debut. We wanted to watch this earlier, but like I said, my computer broke, so...
Did Shelly fix it?
No.
Dang.
So we're watching it now, though, and we're very excited.
Yep.
Here we go.
I'm gonna press play now.
Okay, we're gonna watch Omaigirl. It's
Go,
called Windy Day.
go. You're not going fast enough. Ah!
We're watching.
Come join us.
Oh, it
Purple
sounds
flowers.
cute. It sounds cute already.
Cute.
Oh, it's got an intro. That's cool.
Oh, I really like this song already.
Cute.
She's my favorite. I love her voice. I love her voice.
Wow, they look like a doll. She's really pretty.
Birds.
Birds.
She is really pretty. Go buy a bird.
Oh, guys, I like it.
I
like it a lot. Whoa.
It's very happy. I like happy songs.
It's not too powerful though. It's like very subtle.
Yeah.
It's a subtle, windy happiness. I get it. Ah ha ha. Deer. That was a deer. Yes.
I really like the theme of it, like being in the forest and stuff like that.
Oh no, she's gonna get
That's
you.
like an Alice.
Whoa!
Oh, that was a change. Oh, it's actually
I
really
was
cool.
not expecting.
Whoa, and then it gets windy?
Yeah. Maybe the gun was the one.
Ooh, listen to the instruments. It sounds different.
It's
Yeah,
very.
the song like totally changes on that part.
I love songs that incorporate different, like, regions' feel of music. Like this.
Yeah, that was like.
I love
That's
songs
so
like that.
pretty.
Yeah. Look at that scene, guys.
It's really pretty.
Maybe the HD camera now.
I want to see the full band.
I do too! I want to do it, guys.
Are you gonna get us dressed like that?
Sure, please no.
Oh,
They can do it, I can't.
spooky.
Yeah. That would be terrible. Just imagine that for real, guys. Like
Oh,
running
my
through a
God.
maze in the middle of the night.
Well, I've gone through a
I-
corn maze, but it's not exactly the same.
I really.
Okay, at least that's story.
Imagine trimming that.
That would take forever.
Yeah.
You can make bang style.
Uh-oh. Fuck. Oh, no, she opened the wing! No! Wing!
Oh my gosh, the dance looks so much fun.
Yeah.
Like, I'm just going everywhere. It's so true.
Goodbye, umbrella.
She would just let go of the umbrella.
That's cute. You're not a bear. Bears scratch their heads on trees.
Ooh, whoa.
Oh. Uh-oh.
They must have filmed this on a really windy day or otherwise that they have a
They
really
can
big
just
fan.
have a fan. Really big fan.
Really big.
Yeah, I mean, like, a lot of films have, like, incredibly huge fans for that. You got caught opening the wind!
You're in the headline.
Oh no! Deer! Oh dear!
They're all deers.
Oh dear! Oh dear!
So different.
You know what? This would be a lot of fun to film.
Oh, there's a hoof print in the... Jeez, it's like you register everything like 2 scenes after.
Right?
I liked it. I
That was
really,
real
really,
cute.
really, really liked
a few like weird parts, like with her with the gun, and then the mirror creepily, and the
Yeah.
when the wind like first comes in, you're all like, wow.
I know that I wasn't actually expect. I mean, of course, it's called Windy Day, so like you probably should expect something like that.
Because like it didn't look like it was a big fan. It looked like
Behind
they filmed it on a non-windy day and they waited for a windy day and they filmed it on a windy day. That seems to be a reoccurring theme
That'd
here.
be fun, actually.
But I really liked it. I really liked the song a lot.
It was a very upbeat song. Another one for my Spotify.
Spotify.
And I've liked Oh My Girl's themes. Like,
Yeah.
I've really liked their themes and everything that they've done so far. I've really liked them.
My
Honestly,
favorite
that
one-
was a lot different from the one that you showed me earlier,
Yeah.
which is all booty wiggle.
Yeah, no, they haven't done stuff like that.
No.
Like they're more of, they kind of stick to more of like a cutesy concept, but they're not
But
overly cutesy.
it's also more of like a mysterious cutesy.
Because they're
I
not
guess you could
overly
say.
cutesy.
A
I really,
mystical
really
cutesy.
like Oh My Girl.
cutesy.
Closer was
Closer
really
was
good
my
too.
favorite.
I don't know, like we started watching them because they're in the same company as B1A4, but
We
I
actually ended up really liking them.
really like it.
They've got like this balance.
Yeah.
Well,
A balance of cute. A balance of cute and attractive.
Yes.
Balance.
Anyway, this was really good.
Yeah.
So thanks you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.